Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussies Group. Hope you all are doing well. I'm Malcolm, your PTE coach, and along with me I have Asad today. Friends, I'm so delighted to share with you Asad's success story. Asad is a first-time PTE test taker. Just a few days back he took PTE for the first time, and believe it or not, he has got a full score of 90 out of 90 in PTE. Yes friends, he has got a score of 90 in the speaking module. He has got a score of 90 in reading as well, which is an amazing achievement because it's really difficult to get 90 in reading in the first attempt. He has got 85 in the listening module, and he's got a score of 89 in writing, and hence he's got an overall score of 90 out of 90. So Asad, if you'd like to introduce yourself to your viewers, please.
Hi friends, I'm Asad. I'm from India, Hyderabad. As Malcolm correctly said, I got 90 in PTE and it was my first attempt and I got the perfect 90. All thanks to Malcolm and his techniques.
Thank you so much, Asad. Asad, I believe you've also taken IELTS before.
Yeah.
So since now you've taken PTE, could you share with our viewers what are the main differences or the similarities in PTE and IELTS?
Yeah, so at first I thought that PTE is very tough when compared to IELTS.
How is it? Okay.
Because there's too much in PTE, honestly speaking. But after I took coaching from you, I felt like it's all about techniques and practice. Whereas in IELTS, you need a certain level of English. In PTE also you need English, obviously.
Definitely.
It's more about techniques and practice.
So friends, as Asad very correctly said, in PTE, specifically for the speaking module, you need a particular way of speaking, and you will need that guidance to get a 90 in speaking. Asad, I'd also like to ask you, where did you take your test in Australia, and how was your test experience?
Yeah, I just took in the city in Clifton's. It was
right.
pretty smooth. I didn't have any issues. Yeah, if you're just very good with the computers, you can just crack the PTE.
Right, it's very straightforward,
Yeah,
I just believe it. Correct. And Asad, I'd also like to ask you, how was the coaching experience with Aussies? Because you're enrolled for just 1 week coaching, so if you could share, please.
Yeah, so you said correct. It was just a 1 week coaching, friends, and I would highly recommend Aussies training because, as I said, it's all about techniques and practice, and which are 100% delivered by Malcolm. He's a master tutor. It's not just the name, but it's for a reason. I would highly recommend.
Thank you so much, Asad. Asad, I'd also like to ask you, since you've used our product PTEtutorials.com, how did it help you for the test?
Yeah, so friends, PTEtutorial.com, as you can see here, it's a fantastic website for practice. It's very close to the actual exam scenario.
Right.
You have many tools which are user friendly, and there's material also which is very helpful. In fact, the essays on the website.
Right.
I just got the one essay which is from the 35 to 40 essays on the website. So just go and enroll with Aussies.
Fantastic, Asad. I can't thank you much for your feedback. It was really kind of you to come to us today and give your feedback. And last but not the least, since you're from Hyderabad, if you'd like to leave a message for your Hyderabadi friends, please.
Yeah, I would like to say that in Hyderabad.
Definitely, please go ahead.
तो पट्टो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ बोले तो पीटी क्रैक करना है बोले तो मालकम सर के पास ही जाना, मास्टर ट्यूटर है उन्होंने चिंता कर देते, क्रैक कर देते तुम.
Thank you so much for your kind feedback. So friends, what are you waiting for? If you have any queries in PT, please come to us. We have classes on all 5 days of the week, which is from Monday to Friday. And we are also offering one free demo class from Monday to Thursday. You can call us on our number in the website and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Also friends, on this Saturday, that is the 23rd of September, we are having a master class at a Melbourne CBD office. The address is 290 Collins Street on level 2. So if you've not registered for that, please do that. You still have time. It's on this Saturday, the 23rd of September. The class will start at 11 a.m. in the morning and it will go on till almost 5 p.m. in the evening. In these 6 hours, I'll be covering all the techniques and all the strategies for all the 20 tasks of PT. And the fees for this class is just $79. That's it, friends. So if you've not enrolled still, please do that by calling us on our number below, or you can also fill in the form below. So once again, I'd like to congratulate you, Asad, and all the best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you.
And friends, I'll see you this Saturday in Masterclass, which is from 11 to 5. Thank you so much for viewing the video, friends. Hope you have a nice time. Thank you.